Tired of a messy Pipedrive pipeline full of dead deals? Learn how to archive them in seconds and keep your focus on what matters. If you've been scrolling past the same old lost opportunities for weeks, you know exactly what I mean. That clutter has a way of burying the deals you actually need to work on. So here's the plan. I'll walk you through the exact steps to archive any deal, from opening the menu to confirming the action. It's simpler than you might think, and once you see how clean everything looks, you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open up Pipedrive. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already. I'm assuming you're on the main dashboard now. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of options, and we want the one labeled Deals. Click that. This is your main view of everything you're tracking, so take it in. Notice how some of these deals have been sitting for a while? We're about to change that. Find the specific deal you want to archive. It could be one you lost, or maybe one that just isn't going anywhere. Click directly on the deal name to open it. This will take you to the deal details page. Give it a second to load. Pipedrive is pulling up all the notes and activity tied to that deal. Once the page is fully loaded, shift your attention to the top right corner of that deal view. You're looking for a small icon with 3 dots, arranged vertically.
In my experience working with Pipedrive, this 3-dot menu is where a lot of the hidden power lives. It's easy to overlook, but it's your gateway to archiving. Go ahead and click that 3-dot menu. A drop-down list will appear showing you all the actions you can take on this deal. Take a moment to scan through the options. You'll see things like editing details, changing the owner, or adding a note. But the one we're after is called Archive. Scroll down or look near the bottom of that list. Find the Archive option. It might be marked in a lighter color or slightly separated from the main actions. When you see it, give it a click. Now, Pipedrive usually pops up a confirmation message to make sure you really want to do this. Don't skip reading it. It will say something like, "Are you sure you want to archive this deal?" And it might mention that archive deals can be found later in a separate section. That's good to know. Click the Confirm button, and then wait just a moment while Pipedrive processes the archive. This usually happens instantly, but if you have a lot of data or a slow connection, it might take an extra second or two. Be patient. Once it's done, head back to your main Deals pipeline. You can do this by clicking the Deals link in the sidebar again, or just using your browser's back button. Now take a look at your pipeline. That deal you just archived? It's gone from the active view. Feels good, right? Your pipeline is already looking cleaner, and you haven't lost any data. You can always find those archived deals later if you need them. And that's really all there is to it. Archiving in Pipedrive is one of those small habits that makes a huge difference over time. Every time you clean out an old deal, you're sharpening your focus on what actually needs your attention. So give it a try on a few of your stale deals. I think you'll really like how much clearer everything looks.